Welcome back to AM Northwest. If losing weight or having a baby has made your tummy sag, our next guest has a solution to give you your confidence back. We welcome back from aesthetic medicine our friend Dr. Jerry Darm, along with his patient Laurie. Good morning and welcome. Dr. Darm, saggy tummy bits can happen to anyone, but what are some of the most common causes of it?
Well, having kids, of course, is a big one. Having, being overweight, of course.
Yeah.
And, there's a couple of ways to go after it. In Laurie's case, we did, the surgical approach because of the skin. If the skin is hanging down, too much, we can't just do the lipo. If it's hanging down a little bit, though.
Because it's not really an issue of fat, it's an issue of skin sagging.
Right.
So
sometimes the lipo by itself, if there's fat and skin, can tighten the skin up enough that you get a great result. But in her case, we chose the surgery.
So Laurie, why did you come to Dr. Darm? Were you feeling uncomfortable with yourself? What was going on?
I was. I had 3 kids, and at the time I was married, and I wanted to have the surgery, never did. Got a divorce and started looking at Dr. Darm, and I went to see him, and I felt so comfortable in the way he talked about it and explained it, what he was going to do. I just went for it.
And you had it 6 months ago.
Yes, I did.
And how are you feeling about the results?
Wonderful. I love it. I love it. When I had my pictures taken, the results, and I looked from the beginning to the end, it was just like tearful because it was just so exciting of what I looked like before and my goals, what the goals were and what I was going to look like. And he said that. He's like, this is what's going to happen, and it did. So I'm very pleased.
So even though no one else could see what was going on, it gave you a renewed sense of self-confidence.
Yes. Self-confidence, my clothes fit differently, the way I carried myself. And I just knew it just wasn't there,
Yeah. And so what is the recovery time like on a tummy tuck? Probably different than
about
liposuction.
a week, I would say, till you're up and around.
Wow.
I mean, obviously the scars are healing for a long time, but really, I mean, probably 3 weeks to get back to normal exercising and so on. Isn't that a fair
it was about 3 weeks, and then I went back to working out because I have a trainer, and she started working me out right at 3 weeks, but also with the consent of what I was supposed to do from the doctor. Like that's what you were supposed to do at that time. 3 weeks, 6 weeks, 9 weeks, whatever.
That's not really, in my mind, it would take longer than that. So that's really, those are amazing results. And is this a more permanent solution then?
They're both permanent. Lipo and the surgery are both, permanent solutions. As long as you don't, as long as you maintain your weight, you're going to get the same look. You won't reaccumulate the fat if we're doing the lipo, and the skin shouldn't, stretch, particularly if you're doing the surgery. So.
Well, congratulations, Laurie. I'm very happy for you. And for your free consultation with Dr. Darm, call 503-697-9777 or head to the website. They're located at 4800 Meadows in Lake Oswego. Dr. Darm, always good to see you. Thank you so much.
Nice to see you, too. Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. Thank you, Laurie.